So this video is a complete guide on how to make one of these viral AI baby dancing videos we have been seeing all over the place on social media, specifically on TikTok, with nothing but your mobile phone. Step 1. Come to TikTok and literally search trend dance or dance trends or trending dance of whatever year you are watching this particular video in. Basically, what I want to do is look for dance moves or dancing videos you want your AI baby to mimic. So all I need to do next is literally look through it and select the one I want my AI baby to mimic. So I'm going to use this particular one right here. What you need to do next is to download it onto your device. Now there are actually two ways. You're going to come to this share icon right here. Just tap on it. Then just click on download right here to download it onto your device. You might not see the download button immediately. All you need to do is just scroll at the bottom like this. You are going to see it, but the only problem is with this particular first option here, it is going to add watermark to the video. Yes, it is not going to really affect the process, but we just have to be on the safe side. So what I want to do is this. When you click on the share icon, simply click on copy link instead. Then you're going to come to Google and search TikTok video downloader, and as you can see, there is going to be a lot right here you can select from. Don't download any of these apps onto your device. The website versions are okay. So the one I would recommend is this particular one right here, which is sstick.io. They are not sponsoring this video in any ways. It is good. Let's just put it that way. What you want to do next is to just paste in the link here, then click on download. So they are going to try to show you a bunch of ads. There we go. Then scroll up and simply tap on without watermark, the second one right here. If you tap on the first one, you're going to be shown an ad. So let's just close this real quick. And as you can see, it is done downloading onto my device. Let's move on to step 2, and that is generating our AI baby itself. For this particular step, you are going to open your Google Chrome, then search Google Gemini, then tap on the first link right here. As you can see, they might ask you to create an account. Simply just log in one of your Gmail accounts. And what I want you to do is this. You are going to paste this exact prompt in there. I'll leave the prompt in the description. Simply copy it from there. I have saved the prompt in my notepad, and that is exactly what you are supposed to do. Find somewhere safe to actually save it so you can get access to it really easily. It reads, give me an image prompt for a cute 3D Pixar-style cartoon character around 6 years. For the age, it is totally optional. You can alter it and change it into whatever you want. She is a Nigerian. Now for this section, what I want you to do is this. It is absolutely important you select the country you want your AI baby to be from, because this determines the skin color. Let's just put it that way. It continues to read, make the image bright and colorful. Also, it should be a full body shot in the format I'll provide below. So if you don't add this section right here, the baby or the image you will generate might be, let's say, just the top half, or they just go to the waist or something. I believe you get what I'm trying to say. By entering this right here, you're going to get the full baby shot. The settings should be studio background, soft lighting, ultra detailed, and hair outfit, natural afro curls, streetwear outfit. This is where you are going to sort of set the background and the outfit you want her to wear. What is going to happen is this. With this particular prompt right here, and it's actually going to give you a detailed description of your AI baby. Then if you want to change, let's say, the background, or you want to change her outfit, because let's say you want to create a TikTok page or an account for that particular baby so that she looks the same in almost all the shots, but she'll change her dress from time to time. All you need to do is just change the background right here and then her outfit here as well, along with her hairstyle. Now the format you see below right here, which says format, a 40 years old Nigerian woman with sharp angular face, etc. This right here is basically the format I said it should follow, or it should use as a reference to generate our image. Don't worry, it is not going to be a 40-year-old one. It is going to be the AI baby. So all you need to do next is just copy it like this. There we go. And what you're going to do is you're going to go back to Google Gemini, the one you opened in Chrome. Simply tap and hold and just paste it in there and click on submit. So this right here is typical of Google Gemini. As you can see, it has generated the image for us. If it is okay and you really want to use this one, you can go on ahead and use it, because it is actually kind of cute looking. Let's just say it is perfect for what we are going for. But here's the thing, I tend to prefer it when the whole process is in one space or one platform. What I want you to do is this: if you don't like the outcome, simply enter stop right here in the prompt box. There we go. And it is actually going to know that it is doing something wrong and it should give you the character instead. So this right here is actually unexpected, but I'm not going to lie to you, this is the reality of the process. Sometimes Gemini is going to try to mess up around. So what I'm going to do is this: I'm going to enter something along the lines of stop, simply give me the image prompt as I requested. Now let's see if it is actually going to do it this time. Honestly, I don't mind how this particular one actually looks, but I still want to get a prompt. Where is the image prompt? I'm asking it to give me the image prompt one more time. So if you don't want to face this particular situation right here, you can actually use a different platform, like let's say ChatGPT, DeepSeek, etc. But as you can see right here, it is done giving it to me. So what you can actually do is just copy it like this, highlight the entirety of the prompt it has given to you right here, copy, and let's move on to the platform that is going to complete everything. So use the first link in the description. You're going to land on this particular platform here and simply create an account. Now the platform we are going to use to complete everything is called OpenArt Ai. When you land on this interface, what you are going to do is just tap on image right here on the home interface. You are going to be taken to this interface, and I understand it looks overwhelming, but just bear with me. You're going to come to this section right here which says model or character. Simply tap on switch right here. The section which says see dreams, just tap on switch. This is going to take you to this particular section right here, and this is where you are going to see a whole lot of AI image generators right here. We have Nano Banana, we have a lot. So I'm going to just select Nano Banana Pro. What you want to do next is to come to the section right here which says prompt. Simply tap here, tap and hold one more time, and just click on paste to paste your description from Google Gemini. What you want to do next is to scroll down and select the aspect ratio. So aspect ratio is basically how you want your image to look like. So since we are making this video for short videos, we are going to go in for something along the lines of 9:16. But if you want to post it on, let's say, YouTube or somewhere, you're going to go in for 16:9. So at this section which says size, simply tap on classic, then look for 9:16. As you can see right here, it is at the very bottom, which is mobile. Just tap on it. I trust Nano Banana Pro, so honestly the number of images it is going to generate, as you can see right here, it says 2. But let's just bring it down to 1 because I know it is going to get a job done. And what you want to do next is to just click on create right here. And if we scroll down, as you can see right here under generation, it is generating the image for us. So let's just wait a few seconds for it to generate the image for us. Now check this out, it is actually done. So let me just tap on it real quick to show you how it looks like. There we go. This is absolutely what I was looking for. Now you understand why I said don't use Google Gemini's images. Unlike Google Gemini, where if you opted for that particular version, you have to download it onto your device. Here, there's no need to download it. That is why I like this particular platform so much. What you are going to do next is to come to the 3 lines at the top section right here next to OpenArt. Just tap on it, and that video or next to video, simply tap on this arrow right here. What I want to do is scroll down, and this section here which says motion synchronization, just tap on it. What I want you to do next is this: make sure you leave the model at Cling 2.6 because it is perfect for what we are going to do. Now if you don't know what these models and stuff are, basically it is just these AI tools that actually generate videos. This one right here is perfect for what we are doing. What you want to do next is to come to the section which says select your character. Just tap on it, then tap on select image, then click on history. What you want to do next is to tap or select the image you generated with this particular platform here and click on confirm. As you can see, it has been uploaded. Now what you want to do next is to come to this section here which says add motion reference. This is where you are going to upload your dancing video which you got from TikTok. So I'm going to click on select video right here, then click on upload. This time around, not history because I've actually downloaded it on my device. Then simply select the video you just downloaded, then click on done. So as you can see, it is being uploaded. It says processing. Now while it is uploading, what I want to do is just scroll down right, and here which says skip original sound, leave it as it is if you want to use the original sound from that particular dance video. This section right here which says motion reference control, leave it at exact basically meaning it is going to mimic everything to the exact detail, and I mean to the very little detail, like let's say the camera movements and everything. This section here which says video mode, you can select either pro or standard, but honestly the standard version works just fine for me. So what I want to do next is to scroll down, right, and since it is still being uploaded, there is nothing I can do about it. But what I want to do is just scroll down, and as you can see right here, it says create. All you need to do next is just click on create right here to actually create your video. Now one thing I need to let you know is this section right here which says add motion reference, right? Sometimes most of you are going to face an issue. What is that particular issue? There is actually a limit to the length of video you can use as a reference. So in case let's say you download a video that is about 5 minutes long, it is not going to work here. Now how are you going to make it short? Maybe let's say you want to use a specific scene, a dance move from it. What I want to do is this: you are going to use our good old Capcut. A direct download link will also be in the description. After using the link in the description and downloading it onto your device, what I want to do next is to come to this section here which says new video. Then select the video you just downloaded and click on add at the bottom right here. There you go. As you can see, the dance move has been added. What I want you to do next is this: look for the section where you want to use, that is a specific dance move you want to use. Scroll to that particular section and let's just somewhere around here. I'll now just tap on it, right? Then click on split at the bottom right here. To split it, make sure the other half is selected. Then just click delete right here to actually delete it. Now CapCut is also going to try to add its watermark to your video. All you need to do next is just tap on it like this at the very end. It is going to be an automatic something, so tap on it and simply delete it from there. Now come to the section which says AI UHD. Tap on it and simply select how you want your video to be. So I'm going to leave it at 780p and just tap on export right here. But if you want to export it in 4K, literally just drag this here and you are good to go. But 720p is going to work just fine. Tap on it like this, and as you can see, it is being exported right here. What you want to do next is to come back to OpenArt like this, then tap on select video one more time and simply tap on upload, then upload the video you just exported from CapCut. So this is it right here, then done. So what you want to do next is to literally just scroll down like this, right? And just as I mentioned earlier on, make sure everything is exactly how they are. Don't add any prompts, and all you need to do now is just click on create right here, and let's just sit back for it to create the video for us. So if we scroll up again, check this out. As you can see right here, the video is being generated, and I'm not going to lie to you, it is going to take quite a while, about let's just say give or take 2 to 5 minutes for it to generate it for us, and simply download it onto your device. So while we wait for it to generate, right, let me show you how to actually download it onto your device. This is an example of one that I generated myself, but don't worry, I will show you the end result of this one we are working on right here. Let me tap on the one that I made. After it is done, it is going to appear like this. Then simply tap on download as, then select MP4. Make sure remove watermark is also there, and just tap on MP4 with audio, and it's actually going to be downloaded onto your device, as you can see right here. So that is basically it. That is how you are going to make your own AI baby dancing videos with nothing but your mobile phone. See you on the next video. Peace.